What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and I'm about to show you a shoe that might make you go, "Oh." All right, here we go. This is the PAK 13642 from Primigi Kids. Now, this shoe here is made from a textile and synthetic upper. You also have this contrast stitching all throughout the shoe. It really gives it an awesome look. Now, these are going to be easy to put on and take off thanks to the closure system you have up front. First, you have your bungee laces up here, and then up at the top, a simple to use hook and loop closure. Now, this is real easy, so even your little one could go ahead and adjust it by themselves so they could feel like a big kid. Now, around back, a pull tab for easy on and off. Interior here is aligned with a breathable textile, so it'll make sure that your child's feet are feeling comfortable when they have these on. You also have a lightly padded footbed for all-day comfort, and this all sits on top of this super cool durable rubber outsole. So pick a pair up for your little one today. It's from Primigi Kids.